Hi guys, welcome to Teachers In. So today we'll discuss about there are a lot of vacancies in Madurai Kamaraj University, which is located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for faculty and guest teacher for various departments. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. Before I start, I would like to say our channel is fully dedicated to them, those who wants to be a good teacher, professor, lecturer in their future. Here we discuss all teachers related studies, competitive exams and jobs. So I'll request everyone to please subscribe our channel and follow our social media sites so that whatever notification will come, you will get it easily. So this is the official website of Madurai Kamaraj University. So we have to go a little bit down. You can see there is one career option. We'll see view all. So that first option they have mentioned that applications are invited from interested candidate for the post of faculty and guest teacher. So we have to click it here. I'll zoom it. So now you can see they have mentioned wanted faculty and guest teacher. For which department? Environmental Studies, School of Energy, Environment and Natural Research. Invite Sustainable Farming and Enterprise Development course. They are looking for assistant for faculty and guest teacher on contract basis. And they will give you the salary, like to faculty they will give you 25,000 per month, and for guest teacher they will give you 15,000 per month consolidated salary. Eligible to both faculty and guest teacher, they have mentioned MSc degree in agriculture from any recognized university with reasonable teaching and field experience. For candidates with PhD will be preferred, but this is not mandatory. If anybody have like a PhD degree, then it is good, but this is not mandatory. Then a retired teacher also can apply here. Those who have already retired, they can also apply here. So application with biodata can be sent to this email ID they have mentioned. So you have to send your biodata to this mail ID when on and before 16/6/2021. So this is the last date for this application. So you can send your biodata with the application form to this mail ID on and before 16/6/2021. So this is the notification. I will also put this advertisement link in my description. You can also access from there directly. You can also download from there. So these are the details. Those who are interested for this position, please apply as soon as possible because last date is 16/6/2021. So thank you, all the best.